Here now with more, and what is a story hopefully we can learn things from is the Florida Governor, Ron DeSantis. Why don't I let you make your case, and we'll put these slides back on the screen. I'm going to be honest, Governor, I was particularly worried about the state of Florida. I've been to the villages. I have a place in South Florida and been down there. A lot of old people down there. That's where they retire. You have a very high elderly population. How did you do this? Because I would think Florida would have been one of the worst hit states.
Well, you're right, Sean. People were predicting us to be worse than New York, like another Italy. They said that this week, one of the newspapers in Florida said we'd have 464,000 people hospitalized. The actual number's 2,200. So we beat that by 462,000. But what we did very early was focus on the populations who were most at risk, as you mentioned, our senior citizens, and particularly our nursing homes and assisted living facilities. We instituted screening for all staff immediately. We stopped visitation. We required all staff to wear N95 masks. I charged the National Guard with doing strike teams to do spot testing at the facilities to try to figure out if any of the staff are asymptomatic. Whenever there was an incident at a nursing home, we send these quick response teams to go and try to limit the infections. And so we focused on a laser. We've put out, Sean, almost 6 million masks just to our nursing homes and assisted living facilities. And so we understood the risk that this posed to the senior population. We worked with the villages constructively on social distancing. And here's the thing, you don't have to be draconian. At the villages, they're playing golf just like they always do, but they're doing it with social distancing. So they don't share a cart with anyone, they don't touch the flag stick, and they've ended up doing very well. The president tweeted congratulations to them. So I think it's been a team effort here in Florida. We got a great public health people at the county level. We've worked very good with the local governments as well. We still got more work to do, but clearly we've done way better than all the experts said we would, and I think we did it by a smart, data-driven approach.
And by the way, the villages, I've been there. That is America's friendliest hometown. They do a lot of drinking. They go to a lot of concerts. They watch movies. They eat dinner. They play golf, tennis, pickleball thing, whatever you call that sport that I don't even know anything about. And thankfully, but it seems like you went right at the most vulnerable population, and that's where you put your biggest efforts, and it's paid off. One other thing that I noticed that you were saying, and I hope maybe we can learn something from this, is that you're telling people, go outside and get some sun. Don't hide in your house. That was interesting to me. And you did open up beaches, well, Sean, not to lay on, but to walk on.
Yeah, exactly. And so, people would play golf with social distancing. They would fish, go out on boat. Now, they're not having big parties. They are maintaining social distance. But I think that that's healthy. And to just sit inside for 2 months eating Cheetos and stuff and watching Netflix, that's not great. So I think we respected people. I think they did it the right way. And I think it's paid off. These draconian orders, I don't think have worked throughout the country.
I think we got to look at every place where it worked. And I thought your state was the most vulnerable. These numbers are amazing. Great work. Thanks for saving America's elderly. These are the greatest generation and in between, and amazing people. And keep up the good work, Governor. Keep us updated on that.